Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a Proxy Cheap coupon code, I have an amazing deal to share with you. Right now, by using the exclusive link in the description, you can save up to 70% on Proxy Cheap plans. And on top of that, you can use the coupon code to get an extra 10% off on almost any proxy purchase. Now, let me show you exactly how to claim the discount. First, click the exclusive link in the description below. This step is important because it activates the special offer. Once the website opens, choose the type of proxy you need, whether it's residential, data center, mobile, or ISP Proxies. Next, select the plan that fits your requirements and click Buy Now. You'll then be redirected to the login page. Sign into your existing account or create a new account using your email, or simply continue with your Google account. After logging in, you'll land on your Proxy Cheap dashboard. From the dashboard, click the Order Proxy button. The order page will open. Here, choose the proxy you want, and then select the plan that best suits your needs. Now, look at the order summary on the right-hand side. You'll see an option that says Have a coupon code. Click on it, enter the coupon code WELCOME10, and then click Activate. If you've used the exclusive link from the description, you'll see the coupon applied successfully in the order summary. Next, complete the remaining order details, such as your proxy location, ISP, number of proxies, and subscription period. These options may vary depending on the type of proxy you've selected. Once everything looks good, click Next in the order summary. Finally, fill in your billing details, complete the payment, and you're all set. That's it. If you're planning to buy proxies from Proxy Cheap, there's no reason to pay full price when you can save up to 70% through the exclusive link, plus get an extra 10% off with the coupon. You'll find both the exclusive discount link and the coupon code in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.